This is a quick review for the Zero Gravity Chair from Best Choice Products. This thing is awesome. First of all, they come in a ton of different colors. This is like the snow color with the black frame, but there are colors like orange, blues, and greens. There's all different kinds to choose from when you're looking at one of these chairs. What I do want to stress is that these Zero Gravity chairs are pretty comfortable for a couple of reasons. One, it has this adjustable headrest right here. That's kind of nice if you're kicking back when you have the Zero Gravity chair all the way back. It keeps your neck supported. You can just look up at the stars if you're out camping, or tilt this thing back and you got a nice headrest there for you. Also, for comfort and keeping it soft, there's these bungee type cords that are all the way around the entire chair on both sides, all the way down to the bottom here. And they're like a dual bungee system where there's 2 ropes per loop here. They kind of keep it strong, but they also keep it flexing too. So when you sit on it, you kind of get that bouncy feeling to it, that you just kind of sink into it while still being supportive. The armrests are nice and big, and there's a great place to like keep your hand. If you're going to be sitting here for a while, you can just rest your hand on top of this, keep your arms supported by the armrests. And they're fully adjustable. So you can tilt this thing all the way back, and then you can have it up kind of how I have it now, which is more almost like in a seating position. Completely folds up, and it's this compact, so it's easy to carry around. It doesn't really have a ton of weight to it. I mean, it's a heavier chair. It's not a super lightweight chair, but it is pretty compact. So if you're going to throw it in the back of your car, it's not a big deal. And the way that you adjust the seat, whether or not it's going to be all the way back or all the way forward or anywhere in between, is with the use of these knobs. There's 2 of them, one on each side. There's one here, and there's one over there. And what they do is they press up against this piece of metal here in the chair, and they lock it into place. So you can fully extend this chair all the way back or bring it back up and have it in more of an upright position like I've got it now. Or we'll tilt all the way back in a full recline position like this. These chairs are awesome. These are great for camping, hanging out in the backyard, whatever activity you want to do. Just have a great seat to lay back in. These are awesome.